Hello you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my Amazon favorites. Amazon, I have a love-hate relationship with because it's super easy, super convenient. You get everything within 1 to 2 days. You don't have to leave the house, but I end up spending a lot more than I should because I find things that I really don't need, but I feel like I need, that kind of thing. So I have a variety of things here, from fashion, home decor, electronics, just everything. So I'm just going to share it all with you guys. But before we get into it, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet and you enjoy videos like this, why not subscribe? It's free and it's super easy. It's the red subscribe button down below, and let's get started. The first thing that I use quite a bit from Amazon is this Joy My Little Steamer Go Mini. Growing up, we never had a steamer. Like, I didn't even know that this was a thing until recently. So all you do is plug it in, you put some water in here. It works pretty much like an iron, except you don't have to lay whatever you're ironing down. You can just hang it up and steam comes out of here, and you just go ahead and take the wrinkles off your shirt, your curtains, whatever. We also have an iron. This is just a lot easier and a lot more convenient. Let's say you're going to work or you're running late somewhere and you just need to take some wrinkles off real quick. You don't want to take out the burro or the ironing board and the iron, wait for it to get hot, blah, blah, blah. You just plug this in and take the wrinkles off and you're good to go. These next ones are super random. And again, I didn't even know that these were a thing. I love Sarai. I love her videos. And I was watching her Amazon video. I think it was her Amazon video or her Life Essentials. And she talked about some slippers that clean your floor or dust your floor while you're wearing them. And I was like, that is such a genius idea, and I never would have thought of something like that. And these are the ones that I got. These need a wash really bad. On the vlog channel, somebody said that these look like my dog Toby, which they kind of do, but the whole point of these is they're supposed to dust while you're wearing them. So it's pretty much like you're doing chores while you're doing nothing or while you're just walking around. So look at the back of them. They're super filthy and dirty. I already need to throw these in the washer. But the good thing about these is you don't have to throw the entire chancla in the dryer or in the washer. You can just peel the back part off and just throw this to wash, and then you stick it right back on. And you clean your floors again with your slippers. I do not like walking around the house without shoes or without slippers or without socks. I don't know what it is about stepping on bare floor and carpet. I don't know. I just don't like it. So I'm always walking around with these or some other sandals. But if I can clean my floor by just walking around, then why not? Lately, I've been doing pretty good when it comes to workouts and working out. I used to be an athlete in high school, and then I kind of stopped working out. And then for the past 2-3 months, surprisingly, I've been going at it. I wanted to get something that would make me sweat. I'm not necessarily trying to lose weight. I'm just trying to tone my body because I'm already pretty slim and I'm at a good weight for me. Like, I'm at the weight that I've always wanted to be at. Growing up, I was always 110, 115 because I'm tall and very slim. But I finally gained a little some. So now that I'm trying to just tone. And I drink a lot of water, but I don't sweat a lot, which is really weird. It's really weird and strange. But good thing there are things for stuff like that. I ended up getting this, I guess it's a waist trainer or a faja. I don't mind if I don't sweat as much, like on my arms or my legs or my chest or, up here. I mainly want to focus on toning my abs. It's just like any other one. The material inside makes you sweat so much. Going from sweating minimally to using this, I literally take this off and it's drenched with sweat. So this thing really helps. I always thought these were kind of gimmicky, but no. Next up, we have this bag right here, and it's from Amazon. And isn't it cute? It screams summer. But when it comes to trendy things like this, something that I feel like is seasonal and is not going to be trending, 2-3 years from now, I don't like to spend an arm and a leg. Sometimes I just want to try out the trend, but I don't want to go, all out and spend all this kind of money just to try it out for the season or whatever. So I'll just buy a designer dupe. This is kind of like one of those items. I have another one. in here that I'm going to show you guys, which is crazy. But yeah, I got this bag and I'm planning on using this for like the beach if I want to put my sunscreen, my phone, my wallet, just small things like that, or maybe even just for like outfit pictures for a nice hot day out or whatever. But yeah, I really like this bag. I also posted a picture on my Instagram of a straw bag that I've been looking for. I haven't been able to find the perfect one, but this was another bag that I had my eye on. Only thing about these bags is you kind of have to be careful because I mean you can see everything that's in your bag, so anybody that sees this knows what you're carrying, and it doesn't have any type of like magnet or anything. It just flings right open, so just be careful and beware of that. But yeah, it is a cute bag, especially for the summertime. I guess we'll just talk about the next designer dupes that I have, and I cannot believe I even got these, but I've been wanting these for a long time. I should say this style of shoe for a long time, but spending like $800 to $1,000 for them, especially because of the color, I was like, I don't think I want to spend that much right now. Now, I don't mind spending money on designer items as long as it's something that I know I'm going to use for a long time, that it's going to be like worth the money, yada yada yada. So these, to me, I was kind of like, I don't want to spend $800 for a pair of shoes like this. And I can't believe I even got these. Crazy. But they're from Amazon. And I got some questions already. I posted on my Instagram, again, on my Insta stories, and a few people were asking like where I got my Yeezys from or what kind of shoes these were. And these are supposed to be Yeezys, but they're not. I went on Amazon. I don't know what I was searching for, but I ended up finding these, and there were a lot of pictures, a lot of reviews. People were like, these are literally like the exact same shoe as the Yeezys. And they were doing comparisons and everything, and they looked identical. When I first saw these on Amazon too, a lot of people were kind of iffy about them because some of them on the bottom said Adidas and some of them said sports. Obviously the Yeezys say, I think they say Adidas on the bottom and they say Adidas in here, but the ones that I got do say sports and they say sports back here. But they look pretty similar to the Yeezys. And I have seen a lot of other Yeezy shoe dupes or whatever, and they look nothing like the shoe. When I used to work at Adidas, we did the first launch of the Yeezys, so I was able to see the shoes up close, and Chris has them too. And we compared them, and these, they seriously look just like them. The only way you can tell that they're not that shoe is because it says sports on the inside and it says sports on the bottom. But yeah, can't believe I got these shoes. I remember saying I would never get some fake Yeezys, but I'm sure there are a lot of people out there that have Yeezy dupes and rock them like they're authentic. Ain't nothing new here, okay? But the next thing I have is this little, I'll go with this sweater. Isn't this the cutest little dog sweater? So we got this for Toby, obviously, but it's too big for him right now, but I just thought it was super cute. Chris and I both used to work at Adidas, and this says Audi Dog, and it has the 3 bones instead of the 3 stripes. So we got him this one. It still fits him too big, which is fine. Hopefully around the winter months he'll be a little bit more fluffy and a little bit heavier, so it might fit him then. They had other colors. I think they had it in red with white stripes, blue with white stripes, and black with white stripes, and then they had this one. This one right here is a recent purchase. Oh my god, beach days, beach days, beach days. This is perfect for that. It is a huge, if you guys can see that, a huge beach bag, and it has mesh material. So if you put stuff in here, like if you put your towels after you use them all day at the beach, you won't get sand all in your purse. The sand's gonna just fall right through this because it is a mesh material. I don't like beach bags that are all sealed and closed up because all the sand ends up in that bag and then you end up bringing that sand home. With this, you can just dust off your towels or whatever, throw them in here, and any leftover sand will just fall through the little holes and you don't have to worry about bringing home a big old sandy mess. Deja Vu, I think that's how you say it. And also has a pocket right here if you want to put like your phone or your wallet or whatever in there. And this is huge. You can probably fit at least 4 different beach towels in here, and they also had a lot of other colors to choose from. You can get it in like black or blue, pink. I think those are the colors they had. But yeah, this is super perfect for a day at the beach, and you can obviously use it for other things too, like if you're going to the pool or whatever. But it's like this breathable mesh beach bag. These I get a lot of questions on, surprisingly. And they're the little headbands that I use whenever I film my makeup tutorials. And I got them from Amazon too. It comes in a set of 3, 2 white ones and a black one. I like to use these when I'm getting into the shower and I don't want to wet like my hairline. I just put one of these on around here, and then the rest I put a shower cap. Or if I'm doing my makeup and I don't want to get foundation all up on my hairline either, on my baby hairs, I'll put this over it. When I'm washing my face, when I'm doing a mask, I use these every single day. These just really help to keep my hair out of my face. But not only that, since my hair is naturally curly and I don't want to wet my hairline, that helps with preventing that as well. Because if I wet my hairline while my hair is straightened, all of this gets really, really curly, and that is so annoying because this is the hardest part to straighten. So that helps to kind of prevent that. I also use these pretty much every single day, and they're these like acrylic tumblers. I love these. I use them to drink ice cold water, lemonade. I also do my protein shakes in here. They come with the straws. They hold a lot of liquid and they look nice. I don't know, they're a simple acrylic cup, but I like them. None of these have broken on me whatsoever, and we just kind of toss them around everywhere. We take them outside to the pool or whatever. Ooh. And none of them have broken or fallen apart. So they keep your drink nice and cool. You just throw some ice in there, put your drink, and it should last you a few hours. I like taking this too when I'm on the go and I want to take like some juice or something, or some soda with some ice. I'm gonna take it in my car. I'll just take one of these. I have so much stuff. I'll leave the electronic stuff until the end. But these, sometimes I use them to clean up my brows, and they're these razors. I used to just get them at the beauty supply store. They were like $1, you know, you just get a bunch there, and I just stock up on them. But they're not as good and sharp as these ones are. These are the brand Feather Flamingo. They come in a set of 3. I have the other one somewhere else, but I like these a lot more than the ones from the beauty supply store. You can just feel the quality, and I feel like I get a closer like shave, I guess you can say, with these ones. It just takes them off a lot easier. They don't tug my face. I don't like when I get razors like this and you have to go over the same spot over and over, and then it's tugging and it's all irritated. No, these are just super smooth, sharp, and it gets it all off in one swipe. This is also something I've never really had or see a lot of people with, but it's a key holder. And I wanted to get one of these when I got my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis bag, because I didn't want to scratch the inside of my bag. I'm not careful whatsoever when it comes to stuff like that. So having a key holder like this avoids from all of the scratches and the tears inside of your purse. All of my keys are in here, my little Hello Kitty one. All I do is close it up, and they're nice and secure. They're not flopping around everywhere in my purse, and it doesn't scratch them up. The only one that stays out is my car key, but if I'm not driving, I'll just tuck it in here too. Especially when it comes to designer bags and you spend a lot of money on it, you don't want to ruin it with little things like that. So having a key holder really helps. And then I have my Bose speaker, another item that I use just about every single day. You can get this at like Best Buy or Target, but I got mine from Amazon, so I decided to share it too. You can connect your phone, laptop, iPad, anything that you want, and listen to music. I use it to listen to Spotify. Sometimes I'll watch YouTube videos really loud using my speaker as well. I had it, and then my cousin saw that I had this one, and she was like, "Where'd you get your speaker?" I showed it to her, and she got one in black as well. But I mean, I can take them anywhere, and you can connect this to another speaker and have the same phone playing on 2 different speakers, so it's even louder. This speaker alone is really, really loud. So if you want to take this to the beach, it's nice because you don't have to take a big old heavy speaker. You just take this, throw it in your purse, and you'll have a pretty lit music session because this is really loud. So that's that. That's one of the electronics. This is an iPad or an iPhone stand. I would show you, but I have my microphone connected to my phone. All you do is you put your phone here, and I have this in the kitchen. You can plug in your charger through the back and have your phone charging while it's on the stand. So if I'm looking at a recipe, or if I'm listening to Spotify, or if I want to scroll through Instagram, or I'm watching YouTube videos, I'll just have it sitting here instead of having it laying flat and I'm kind of like trying to see while I'm trying to cook or whatever. This just is one of those things that makes a small task just a little bit easier. Okay, this is something I feel like a lot of people need, but you don't realize that you need it. And it's this power outlet. So you get 4 USB connections and you get 3 of just the regular, I don't know what they're called. Our thing is we have a lot of cords to charge our phones, but we always lose the little block where you plug it into the wall. So this, all you do, you just need one outlet. You just pop it in there. You can plug up to 4 different phones, or you can, plug up to 3 different other things. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up getting another one of these, one to have in the kitchen and then one to have like in the living room or something. But this is like something you can have all around the house and it'll get great use. This little gadget right here, también, it's like lifesaver. I don't like going out and taking photos on my camera or wherever, and then I want to post it on Instagram and I have to wait until I get to my laptop to download the photos and then put them on my phone. With this, all you do is you put your memory card in here, you plug this into your phone, and you can put your photos directly into your phone. You don't have to be like a blogger or anything. If you like taking pictures or anything, this comes in really handy and it's super cheap. I remember, having a camera, taking cool pictures, family photos or whatever, and I wanted to post them on Facebook or Instagram, and I couldn't because I had to wait till I got home, which is fine. I will post them till the next day, but it is what it is. Now though, we have little things like this where you can instantly download your photos from your memory card. Going along with that, I also have a memory card holder right here where I have a bunch of my memory cards. You can put, up to like 24 different memory cards, and you can keep them organized. You can add little labels or little tags. That way you know what each memory card is for and what kind of photos are on there. But this is like really cute, and it's small, compact. You can also throw it in your purse. It's good for somebody who's like a photographer, or even if you're not, but you have a lot of, different memory cards. You like to keep everything on file. This is really good for that. And I think that's pretty much it for my Amazon favorites. I have a lot of other Amazon favorites, but I wanted to at least share a few with you guys. In the comment section, let me know, what are some of your Amazon favorites? I'm always buying a bunch of random stuff. I would love to hear what some of your Amazon favorites are. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and make sure to check the description box. I'm gonna link everything down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I will see you all in my next video.